everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my recipe for my favourite green smoothie. I think it's the best and I love this recipe so much that I thought it deserved a recipe video of its own. The smoothie is sweet, it's filling and it's creamy. You can't taste the greens and best of all there's no avocado. My secret ingredient in this smoothie is Oatly Barista. Now this isn't just for making frothy lattes. It says on the carton it can even be used to cook with or used on cereal. It's just extra creamy, which is why it's perfect for this smoothie. It does need a good shake beforehand. I then take 1.5 cups of that and add it into my blender. The next ingredient is coconut water. I like this one from Cocofina. It seems to last me forever and it tastes great. Adds a little sweetness to the smoothie and I prefer using this over regular water. So I take 1/2 cup of that and add it into my blender. Then I add in 1 packed cup of fresh washed spinach, 1/2 cup of frozen kale. I just find frozen kale blends smoother as kale can be a little bit tough. Then I add in 1 frozen chopped banana, 1 cup of frozen mango cubes. I buy fresh mango, chop them up and then freeze them. 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple cubes. Again, I do the same with pineapple. And also 1 peeled and sliced kiwi. I then blend that up. I use a slow speed to start with just to break things up, but then I blend it on high for a good couple of minutes until it's really smooth. The Vitamix is so good for this, it just makes the smoothest smoothies. And this recipe makes 2 portions altogether. I drink it out of a relatively small glass, so 2 of these glasses. But if you drink your smoothie out of a jar, it makes 1 larger portion. And that's my recipe for what I think is the best green smoothie. I promise it tastes so much better than it looks. You can't even taste the spinach or the kale in it. I've always thought it's a little bit weird putting those in smoothies, but it's such a great way to pack them in. And the sweetness from the banana, the mango, pineapple and kiwi, also the oat milk hides the taste of them really well and just makes it really delicious. As I say, the Oatly Barista milk works best in my opinion because it's so creamy, but you could switch this up for regular oat milk, coconut milk, rice milk or almond milk as well. Let me know what you think if you give it a try. As always, the recipe is written up in the description box below for you. Just click show more underneath this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!